Okay, we went and fetched an engine yesterday. It's flipping, took us ages to get there. Where was it again? Oh, I can't remember. It was in Wales somewhere anyway. Sweet engine, 30 horsepower, Yamaha. The only problem is it's a long shaft and it's obviously too long for the boat. So what we're going to do is we're going to raise this up. It's got to come up roughly in line with that, so the engine will sit a bit higher, so the prop, this bit will be level with this bit. That's the plan anyway. And then yeah, we'll see how it goes. And we're going to be able to do this. It's a heavy piece of kit, I know that. Yeah, I just wanted to show you what I mean. What's it there, Frank? Frank. Frank said say hello. Yeah, that's where I'm at, look. It's way too low. I've got to go up about 8 inches. I'm going to take it up there. That'll be fine. I decided to take it home and jet wash it, get all the flaky paint off, save wasting loads of sanding discs. So I've jet washed it all off, used pressure washer obviously. It's got quite a lot of the shit off, to be fair. That. Yeah. That engine as well, I took it home to get it started and it sounds absolutely mint. Love it. The carbs, so I took the case off. Obviously I brought one of those, whatever you call them, earmuff things for the water. Yeah, tried to start, put fuel in the fuel tank, got a new fuel line. It wasn't pressuring up, then I realised there was an O-ring missing off the adapter on the fuel line. So when I brought some O-rings, put the O-ring on, pressured up perfect, but wouldn't start. So I took the carbs off, stripped them down, the float bowls were full of water, the jets weren't blocked, the carb bowls were clean, they've just got water in them. So I got all the water out, sprayed them with carb cleaner, put them all back together, started straight away. Water was peeing out of the, whatever they call it. So I know that the water pump was working fine. So yeah, overall, so far I'm really quite happy. I've got my bungs coming in the next couple of days. Table slipped. Got the bungs coming in the next couple of days. I've had the white paint come, which is gel coat. So I'm going to repaint all the bottom white. And then this stripe here, up here, all around the sides to there, both sides will be white. then the rest of the boat's going to be blue. West Bromwich Albion blue, because that's my team. So yeah, so that was a quick update for today. Speak to you, or see you all next time.